in Hindi.
Confusion name confusion, bro. Like Tirtha, I heard that name like some girl's name, so that's why.
Lol.
don't
No,
don't
bro.
don't mind, bro.
No, it's okay, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yaru, do you see anyone, Devesh?
What, bro?
Do you
Enemy?
see anyone?
Eh,
Ah,
no, no. Right now, no one.
ಹಲೋ ಭದ್ರೈ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
ಹಲೋ
ಅಭಿ.
ಭದ್ರೈ.
ಹಲೋ.
ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ. Bro, why are you struggling?
Why, bro? I'm struggling, bro.
You
ಲಾಲ್ bro.
actually ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತೀಯ ರವಿ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ.
ನೀನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ದುಃಖ
ಅಭಿ
ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಭದ್ರೈ.
enemy.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I think it's a squad.
Marked a location.
Yeah.
Marked a location.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಭಿ.
ಗನ್ನಿಲ್ಲ ಭದ್ರೈ, ಗನ್ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನು ಗನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ.
ತೀರ್ಥ ಬ್ರೋ, ನಂಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಗನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಗನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಪಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಅದು. ನನ್ ಗನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಲಾಲ್.
ಅಭಿ ಬೇರೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ
ರಿವಾಲ್ವರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು
where did you see ದೇವೇಶ್?
Uh,
ಅಭಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಭಿ?
this side, bro.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
This side.
He's here. He's near me.
Yeah.
Bro, don't cross the road, bro. Don't go that side. Ah. Badri on fire.
Hey, somebody is rushing, bro.
Yeah, bro.
ಸೊ ಹೊಡೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಭದ್ರಾಯ್? ಹೊಡೆಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ರಾಕಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಹತ್ರ ರಶಿಂಗ್ ಭದ್ರಾಯ್.
ಅಭಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ಅಭಿ.
ಬದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ
Marked
ಹತ್ರ
a
ಪುಷಿಂಗ್
location.
ಭದ್ರಾಯ್. ಲೋ ಯಾರಲ್ಲೋ, ನಂಗನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಭಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಭಿ.
He did.
ಬದ್ರಿ ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡೆದ ಅವನು, ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕೇಳು ದೇವೇಶ್ ಕೇಳು, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 2 ಎನಿಮಿ ರಶಿಂಗ್, ಇಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ VSS ಇತ್ತು, ಬೇರೆ ಗನ್ನಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಅವನ್ನ.
ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಅಭಿ.
Bro, in this carrot, M4 is there. M4 16.
Marked an enemy's death crate.
ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ತೀರ್ಥ ಅವರು?
ಅವ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
I got
ಇದ್ರು.
supplies.
ಬದ್ರಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರು ಬದ್ರಿ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡ್ಕೊ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಅಭಿ ಮುಗ್ದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಅಭಿ. They are always ready to kill, bro. If they
Yeah,
are
bro.
knocked, no, they will try to finish us.
Finished. Yeah.
And players are really good in Asia server.
Yeah, bro.
Or two. Hey. Bro, is number 2 speaking? Can you hear his audio?
No, bro.
Okay.
I can't hear his voice.
Always number 4, and I know usually we die at the starting only. We'll not have guns. They'll shoot us.
It's okay, bro.
Bro, do you know one guy? He was studying in our class now. First sem, second sem, Gaurav.
Goro.
Gaurav Kumar Singh.
Goro. In our side.
No, in our class only he was there, no?
Yeah. Gaurav Kumar Singh.
Ah, what is he doing, bro? He left engineering now.
He's that time only, no? He left. He's from my side only, no? In Bihar.
Oh, okay. What is he doing?
He's handling now father's business.
Oh,
Yeah.
second sem he left.
In second sem only. Because in fourth sem he got four or four backlogs, I think.
Oh, four he got. Oh, so
Yeah.
he couldn't get promoted.
Yeah, that's why.
Bro, Tirtha, number two, one ನಿಮಿಷ bro. Car
Okay.
will. Car ತಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Car. ಹಾ. Bro, search for car now.
Sure.
Aha.
We got it.
You keep looting. I'll bring number two.
Okay, bro.
You loot. I'll bring number two. ಬನ್ನಿ ತೀರ್ಥ. You're in diamond, bro, but still look at the players. They're playing like ace tier.
Who? Me?
You're in diamond, right?
Yeah, in diamond.
Players are from ace only.
Because of you, bro.
I know, no, bro. Even if one player is diamond, players will be of lower tiers only.
Okay, like that. I thought.
Not all, but at least 50% will be from diamond. Not everyone will be from ace.
But you all are in diamond, right?
Correct.
Oh, nice.
Okay, come, bro. Bot. You can take loot.
I'm out. Need ammo.
Which?
80 ಇದೆ
Wait.
ತೀರ್ಥ.
You can
ಎಷ್ಟು
take.
ಬೇಕು ನೀವು?
You
Bro,
can take. You can take from me. I have extra.
red zone is really bad.
Yeah, bro. If you are
Have you ever died inside
many
red
times,
zone?
bro. Many times. When I was playing good, no, I killed 4-6 enemy.
Okay,
Then that time only I was die by
red zone.
Yeah, through red zone. Only.
Really bad luck.
Yeah. You playing daily, right? PUBG?
Now only, bro. Mostly evening.
Oh. Okay. How many hours, bro?
Maximum 2 hours, bro. Friends will be there, no?
Oh, okay.
They'll go at 7.
Apart from
Then
that,
I'll.
bro,
That's all.
apart from that, simply eating, sleeping,
That's all, bro.
or chatting with someone.
Hey, no, bro. I'll edit, bro, videos.
Okay, super. You edit itself only. You itself only.
That's the problem, bro. Editing only takes. Hey, people are there, bro. People are there.
Yeah.
Careful. I'll stop somewhere.
Yeah.
Tirtha ಅವರೇ, number 2. People are.
Okay.
ಜನರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Wait. I don't know where he is. That
Watch
side.
out.
This side, yeah.
Bro, come from the right. They should come anytime.
Yeah.
Shall we? How to go inside? I
Watch
think
out.
only one guy. Ili, bro, Tirtha.
Shit.
Hey, finish. Bro, Devish.
Yeah, bro.
Finish, bro. Only one guy was there.
Where? There
I
only.
finished him, bro. Hey, bro.
Oh, you finished? No. I'm going to loot, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can loot, bro. if someone edits, no, bro, it would be really nice.
Yeah, exactly. Because
Editing is very, very tough.
yeah. So
But once
which software
people start,
you are using for editing?
have you heard about Adobe?
Adobe. Yeah,
Adobe Premiere.
I know. Oh, so you like taken premium or what?
No, bro, my friend has a cracked version.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice.
He gave it. Else, bro, I have to pay 1,200 per month.
Okay, okay.
But once you start, people start watching your channel, then it's okay, easy.
Yeah, you can afford.
That's the problem. Nobody is watching now.
Yeah. But once in a day you will surely pakka in top.
But the problem is nobody knows the channel, bro. Even if your content is good, there is nobody is aware of my channel.
Yeah, bro.
You have any idea how to make it popular?
Yeah,
I upload it in Facebook, bro.
No, you will do one thing. You will
Ah,
start
yes.
streaming right now. Then you
Bro,
will get
streaming-
audience. Yeah, audience.
Bro-
Then you will get.
Problem is, bro, nobody will watch, bro. Do you think if I live stream, anybody will watch? Nobody is there to watch.
Bro, sure. Definitely they will watch. Not like that, like Dynamo, Mortal, like that only. But
Okay.
yeah. on
Number two is saying upload it in Instagram.
Instagram. You can do.
That is also a good option.
Yeah.
But I do upload in Instagram also, bro. Short videos I upload. But only my friends can see, right?
Yeah, exactly. No, if you will start streaming, no, then pakka.
Okay.
In a starting like starting time, you will get like
Okay.
not more audience, 100, 200 like that only. But
Okay.
if you start regularly, no, then you will get
Okay.
more audience.
Problem is, bro, if playing in iPad, no, you cannot directly stream. You need some equipments.
Yeah, you have to
Like
take,
if you
have
want-
to buy camera and all.
Camera I have to buy. In mobile, one USB cable is enough. But in iPad, you need many cables worth nearly 10,000 rupees.
Oh, but you can do one more thing. If you have extra phones, so
then I can do.
Yeah, you will use for
Correct.
yeah, recording.
Correct. Definitely, I can do that, bro.
Yeah,
I don't
Then
see anyone camping the bridge.
no one is there. Then you can get more audience.
Correct. Or shall we camp? What do you say?
That's up to you. No issue. We can. We will
Bro,
do.
camp ಮಾಡುವ. Number 2, Tita. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ bro?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but it's really dangerous. But make sure you don't shoot until the enemy comes close.
Sure.
It's really dangerous. If they notice us, gone.
Otherwise, they will kill us.
Wait, I'll park it properly. Careful, bro. Careful. Yeah. Good spot. Good spot.
Yeah, I was sleeping.
Definitely one squad will come. I'm sure.
He's coming.
Coming.
Yeah,
Where, bro?
I saw vehicle, bro. See,
Hey,
see.
wait. He's coming.
See.
Don't shoot. Let him come. Don't shoot. Let him come close.
Oh,
Don't shoot.
3 buggies, bro.
Now you can shoot, bro.
Wow, superb.
Wow.
Seriously, bro. 3 buggy.
Amazing.
Seriously.
Wow. And we get so much loot.
Yeah. I didn't get any kill, bro.
Bro, I got 4 kills, bro, here.
Superb.
Oh.
Bro.
Bro, they'll stop. I think they'll stop.
Wait. Bro, smoke, bro.
Bro, you do one
I'm
thing.
being
Smoke,
surrounded.
smoke.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. You revive, bro. You revive. No problem, no problem. You
I-
just revive.
Okay. I
Come,
don't.
hey, munde banni, bro. Tirtha, munde banni.
I don't have a
No
smoke.
problem. You can smoke.
I don't
No
have-
problem. They're not rushing. You can do it. You can do it.
Okay.
I think they're shooting us, bro. We'll go from here. Hey, Tirtha, ikade banni. Bro, come to the car.
Okay.
Hogbeda banni, Tirtha. Banni.
Wait, bro. 1 second.
Tirtha,
I want.
come fast, bro. They'll definitely finish us if we are standing here. Tirtha, kutkoli.
We'll go.
See, they're shooting us from all directions.
Yeah.
I think no, they are moved, bro. I think they moved. Front.
No.
See, they're moving front. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Watch out.
Eli Tirtha, alidara. One guy
Watch
was
out.
shooting from the right, bro.
Yeah. But I.
This guy is marked. He's
We can't see
Wait, bro,
from here.
Marked a location.
oh, he's on the house, bro.
Marked a location.
Oh, super.
Come, Davis, come.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come. Sit down. Come fast, bro. Careful.
Yeah.
Let me throw a grenade.
Super.
Wow. Come. They're on the top, bro.
Yeah.
Don't go. Outside also somebody is there. Hey, Devesh, come, bro. Last game, bro. Come in.
Sit.
Oh.
Oh. Sorry, bro.